Hi, I'm Irish Kevin, and today we're going to install a dash cam on my wife's car. So first, let me show you the dash cam. This is the Red Tiger F7NP. It's 4K, says it's ultra clear, has Wi-Fi, app control, GPS, all the fun stuff. So I would do an unboxing video, but boring. Okay. Well, first we want to mount this in a spot that is good. I have chosen this area right here because this is my wife's car and she has stickers everywhere. So we're going to put it right about here. Oh, did I mention you should clean your windshield first? I recommend using alcohol. It's locked in. All right, so I don't know if you can see the view. Looks like we got a nice wide view of the front of the car from both the left and the right. Then we want to start tucking this up in here and then run it down here. And we got this little handy dandy Watch-A-Mahoozy. I'm just going to pop this off here, see if we can get in there. Oh, it looks like this is going to come right off. Now, watch out, cars usually have airbags right here. This one doesn't specifically state it because it's an older vehicle. But as we pull this off, get in here. Oh, looks like, yep, there's an airbag. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna feed it behind all of this. These prevent the molding from hitting you. So we're gonna go make sure we get underneath all of it in here. Feed it around the other side here. All right, so I'm gonna plug it back in here. I'm going to start feeding it up into here and work it around, and I'm going to work it so that all the slack goes in here. That way, if I need to move this, it'll be easy to do. And I'm going to start at this end here. Just use this. We're going to pry it apart. And it just goes right in. And I'm going against all sports logic here because you're supposed to go from the other end to here. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. But like I said, I want to put all the slack in the molding on the back side of the airbag. So we're under the dash here, and I put a couple little clips here so that this wire doesn't dip on down, and the passenger with their feetsies grab it and yank the whole camera and everything off the, you know what I'm talking about. All right, continue along. We're going to come around and we're just going to feed it in through here and bring it on up. Yeah, the lighting's terrible. So you see I went pry, stuff. There we go, all the way up. Boom, 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 boom. This little tool really works well. Clean. For some reason it wants to come out. But you want that in there because that's the weather stripping. Keeps all the water out. Kick this up and feed it through here, and we're in, and that's it. Like I said, I want all the slack up in here. Okay, so in a nutshell, all you got to do is line it up and okay. Just tuck that in. Okay, all right, it's good. All right, so we have the back camera here, so we're going to figure out where we want to put it. So I'm going to put it right about here, right in the center, right there in the center. And I want this out of the way. I think it'll fit right in here. So let's see if it does. Actually, I think I could just, hold on. Yep. Actually, yeah, it does. Fits right in there. So we'll put this here. We'll clean up everything later. Up here, down here, we'll have to see. And we're just gonna feed it on around. Oh yeah, right up into here. Extra. Look at that. Ready? We'll just hand feed it now. All right, so basically we just ran it through here. This is the same as the other side. I just tucked it in down here, came up. Tucking in it up here is very easy, and boom, comes out nice and clean. Let's go back to the back. So same thing back here. I just tucked it up there. It tucks in here really easy. Just put the slack right here in this corner right here. And, you know, same thing. Alcohol, stick it on. I didn't film that because you guys are fart smellers. I mean fart smellers. I mean smart fellers. Now let's talk about picture quality. So these are the first runs here on the road. Okay, so here's the front camera. And it actually looks pretty good. And I guess if you need to, you can see license plates and all that fun stuff. So yeah, it's good. Now the back camera doesn't have as high of resolution as the front camera, and I'm not really crazy about all this reflection. You can see, you know, the back dash, I guess, for lack of a better term. So, but I guess it's good enough to see if, you know, someone rear-ends you or whatnot. Yeah. So that's it. Overall, I like it. Thumbs up, jeans.